Okay. Isang magandang Lunes sa inyong lahat at welcome po sa live market review ng the stock market today. Ngayon ay March 28, 2022 at the last Monday of the month. Yan po. Ito po si Benji Chidoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007 and I do this report daily. And ang ating silipin po natin ang PSE, which is it's now 251. Ang index po ay nasa 7134.36 and it's a green candlestick for the 5th consecutive trading day. Pero maliit lang po, no? 9.52 points lang po or almost flat yung ating PSE. Yan. Tignan po muna natin yung ating mga headlines. By the way, kung meron po kayong request on your stocks, na gustong ipa-review o may mga questions po kayo, pag-comment lang po sa comment box. Okay, yung ating news, from BDO Securities, Moody Analytics raises 2022 Philippine growth estimate. And then BSP Services, BSP sentiment turns more buoyant in second quarter of 2022. BSP rules out rate hike, sees sustained rise in remittances. MER 6 ERC approval for 149.7 billion capex. ASEN JV plans to build 200 megawatt DC solar plant. And then VLL's REIT files application for 9.18 billion IPO. Ito po yung ating main news for the day. Pero in other business news, fuel prices rise for the 12th time this year. No? So bukas po ay tataas po ang ating gasolina at diesel. In an advisory, local firm Sea Oil Philippines announced a price increase in its gasoline products by 340 per liter, diesel by 8, kerosene by 940 per liter. Yan po. And let's go to our main news, which is on the REIT. Teka, let me put up. Meron po akong slide dyan. Yan. Okay, so yung ating REIT ay nandito po. VLL's REIT unit files application for 9.18 billion IPO. Vista REIT Inc. or VREIT, the Commercial Real Estate Investment Trust of VLL, plans to sell up to 3.33 billion in secondary common shares. With an over-allotment option for another 333.75 million shares at a price up to 250 pesos per share or a piece, translating to around 9.18 billion in proceeds. VREIT's initial portfolio comprises 10 community malls and 2 office buildings with an aggregate gross leasable area of 256,404 square meters. In the last 3 years, the property's occupancy rate of 93% to 100% of the respective GLAs. The properties also sustained healthy rental income growth even at the height of the pandemic, given the essential nature of its small tenants. VREIT has capped or tapped China Bank Capital Corp as issue coordinator together with BDO Capital and Investment Corp, PNB Capital and Investment, RCBC Capital, and SB Capital Investment Corp as joint lead underwriters and book runners. The offer shares will be listed and traded on the main board of the Philippine Stock Exchange under the symbol VREIT. The Villar-owned REIT will be the second REIT to list in the market this year after the listing of Citicorp Energy REIT Corp last February. Other REITs in the market area are Ayala-led A-REIT Inc., DDMP REIT Inc., Philinvest REIT Corp., RL Commercial REIT Inc., M-REIT, M-REIT. Okay, so yun po ang ating main news on the REITs, ano? Okay, and then let's teka, balik po natin to. Okay, so parang may nakikita po tayo as I change screens, no? Yan. Before I proceed, ay meron pong dalawang comments dito, yung ating mga tingnan lang natin, ha? Sabi ni Visa Assistance, please review SPC. And then from Visa Assistance also, sir, I read somewhere that the underwriters of C-REIT said that the stability fund of C-REIT was never used, and also that the underwriters are availing of the over-allotment option. Is this a good indication for C-REIT? Actually, kung totoo man nito, no, based on what you have said, ang hindi paggamit po ng stability fund ay isang magandang indication na meron pong demand yung stock. Yun po. Kasi po ang stability fund, ginagamit po yan ng pambili ng stock kung bumababa po yung presyo. Pero it looks like from your statement na hindi kinailangan ng stability fund dahil merong demand for the stock. Yun po ang aking assessment dyan. And also that the underwriters are availing of the over-allotment option. Is this a good indication? Yes, it is a good indication because yung over-allotment option would show that there is demand for the stock. As simple as that. Yan po, no? Ito po yung C-REIT ngayon. But, it's, hindi ko lang po ilang days dito. Pero mukhang pababa po yung stock eh. But, hindi ko lang kung magkano po yung original nito, no? Magkano? Teka, silipin ko lang ha. Magkano yung original? 255 yung ano eh, di ba? 255 yung IPO price niya eh. Yan po. Ngayon nasa 267. No? 267 si C-REIT. So, good indication po yan. Okay, it's 259. Let's take a look at the PSE. Pero tingnan po natin yung market summary. Equal lang natin, ha? I-refresh ko lang po. Kamusta pong weekend natin? Yan po. Okay, para maganda po yung ating mabagal lang po ang internet. Sorry po. Antayin lang po natin mag-refresh. Nasa 7134.36 pero antayin po natin matapos yung 7134.36, but I want to confirm that with the summary here. 7134.36 pa rin dito eh. So kung matapos po ito ay, sige, tignan natin si SPC ay requested po. And then let's do SPNEC, and then let's do SM, URC, ICT, and AC. Yan po. Okay, so that will be 6 unless you have requests, no? Okay. So 31, 30, 71, 34, and 36 gained 9.52 points or 0.13% to finish at 7134.36. Let's put up our indicator. So paakyat po siya. So meron po siyang bounce with dito po yung pinaka-support niya sa 69.46, ano? But it went as low as here. Yan, 68.36.21. Yan po. And then yung ating market activity, 94 companies declined, 77 advanced, while 53 remained unchanged. So we'll be reviewing SPC, SPNEC, SM, URC, ICT, and AC. So let's start with SPC. Kanina tinitingnan ko ito, mukhang maganda highest dividend paying stocks in the index, pero hindi I'm sorry, not in the index but in the PSE, no? Kasi SPC naman is not an index stock. Ngayon nasa 1438, and I think we can place EMA 100 as our support here, no? And yung ating resistance nandito po, nasa 1480 more or less, ano, based on the candlestick. Pero I'm interested also in the dividends, ano, kasi kung kukupitin po natin ng dividends, meron tayong 40 centavos here, 60 centavos here, and then we have 55 centavos, 155 divided by 14.38. Okay, so maganda siya, no? 10.78% gross without the dividends, or without the tax. That's 9.7%, which is very good, no? SPC. Yan po yung dividend yield ni SPC, no? Okay, and then SPNEC. Si SPNEC naman ay okay, it's moving upwards, and the support is here at 164, resistance here at 224, no? More or less yan po ang SPNEC. So nasa 202 po siya ngayon, and yung medium term indicator lumabas lamang nung March 4, and it is now both under the candlestick in short and medium term indicator. Yan po. RSI is bullish at 57, pero mga short candlesticks po ito. So yung piso na SPNEC noong December 17 naging 2 pesos, more than 100% increase. And then SM, okay, SM ay 900. Okay. It's the candlestick is still below our indicators, with support here at 866, and resistance is somewhere here at 974, more or less po yan. No? I see another resistance here at 958. Support and resistance, ano po yan? Hindi po yan exact points. These are areas. Okay? Okay. And then after SM, URC. URC nung isang last week, napakababa po niya. So umabot po siya ng as low as 101.60, yung lowest po niya. Ayan po yung pinaka-support 101, mga 101.50. Okay, and then it continues to move upwards. The 20-day exponential moving average is now under the candlestick, and it's now about to reach the 50-day exponential. And 100-day exponential, yung dalawa po yun above the candlestick. Okay. And then, ano pa rin siya, no? It has been moving upwards since March 23 with RSI bullish at 55. Then ICT. Si ICT naman po ay nagkaroon siya ng mukhang nag-profit taking tong si ICT. Ang ating support, let's take support at the EMA 50, 214.77. So it's 218 right now, but it continues to move upwards. Yung ating black line, yung long-term indicator R, is moving upwards. Resistance, let's try to do a parallel channel with the EMA 20, 4.63, 55 is the support level. Then finally, we have Ayala Corporation. Okay, Ayala Corporation ay nagkaroon din ng red candlestick today, losing 11.15 at 806. And then 764 po ang pinaka-support niya. But in general, it has been moving, yung long term is somewhat straight, no? So, hindi pa siya nakaka-fully recover dito. Bearish pa po yung RSI, no? So, all the moving averages are above the candlesticks pa rin po. 806, so magandang bumili. Blue chip stock po kasi ito. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market March 28, 2022. By the way, this may be our last live weekly report, ano? So we will be reverting to our video report starting April, no? Okay, maraming pong salamat. Ito po si Benji Chidoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.
4 million na kagad dito sa market.